Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be continuing my anatomy tutorial series and this is part 4. In today's video I'm going to show you how to draw the legs. If this sounds interesting, then let's hop into it. When it comes to the legs and how to draw them, you need to understand how the leg muscles work. The leg muscles work similarly to the arms, however the roles of flexors and extenders are inversed. This is easy to see because the position of the kneecaps and elbows are mirrored. When we pull our feet upwards as if to stand on our heels, we are flexing the front of our legs. When we stand on our toes, we are extending our calf muscles. The same concept applies to the top of the legs in the thighs. However, the roles are inversed from the bottom of the legs. When we pull our leg back, we are flexing the back of our legs. When we straighten our leg back down, we are extending the front of our legs. Now that you have a full understanding of the muscles that make up the legs, let's draw them out. I like to keep things simple, so the method I will be using will be based on boxes. Here's the sped up version. That was the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it informative. If you did, please subscribe, leave a like and shoot a comment because I genuinely want to hear what everyone thinks. Also, if you want to see more of my content, then please ring the notification bell to know when I post my next video. But that's all from me today. See you next time.